Can't sign in to Capcut? You keep getting the try again later message and nothing works? It's a common glitch and stops you from editing or saving anything. But the fix is simple and it only takes a minute to get Capcut working again. Let's solve it right now. Before we start, make sure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi and mobile data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router or device. Turn on and off the airplane mode. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force Stop app. Press and hold the Capcut app. Next, tap on the eye icon. Then look at the bottom bar. Tap Force Stop and then tap OK. Now restart the Capcut app and try to log in again. Solution 2. Clear cache. Again, press and hold the Capcut app. Tap on the eye icon. Scroll down, tap Storage. Next, tap Clear cache. Now try to log in to your Capcut account again. If you are still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold on the Capcut app. Next, tap Uninstall here. Tap OK to confirm it. Now go to Play Store, then tap on the search icon. Search Capcut, then install it again. Tap Open, and now try to log in again. Hope this time you can log in to your Capcut account easily. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.